Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a clean Shopify store. First, select a theme that is both visually appealing and highly responsive across all devices. Next, categorize your products into clear, intuitive collections, making it simple for customers to find what they need. Finally, upload professional, consistent product images to showcase your items effectively and build trust with your audience. To optimize your product pages, craft descriptions that are not only informative but also highlight the key benefits for your customers. Include a strong call to action, guiding visitors on their next step, whether it's adding to cart or learning more. Integrating customer reviews is crucial. They provide authentic social proof and can significantly influence purchasing decisions. A clean store relies on excellent navigation. Design your main menu to be straightforward and easy to understand, allowing customers to quickly find categories and essential pages. Implement breadcrumbs to help users track their location within your site, enhancing their journey. Furthermore, prioritize fast page loading speeds. Even a delay of 1 or 2 seconds can impact user retention. Finally, a clean Shopify store extends to a smooth checkout experience. Aim for a checkout process that is as simple as possible, ideally completed in just a few steps. Clearly display trusted payment badges to reassure customers about security. Additionally, transparently present your shipping and return policies, building confidence and reducing potential customer service inquiries.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.